Hey guys, we've had some more comments on our other videos saying that they want to see how to do the approach lighting for the 2025 and up Explorers. I believe this also works on the 2020 through 2024. It's super simple. What you'll want to do is go into FORScan. You will go to your body CM or your BCM in the easy way. You'll go in and you will turn anything that says approach detection from disable to enable. That is approach detection personal 1, personal 2, personal 3, personal 4, vehicle, and initial value. Make sure they are all set to enable and then hit write. Once you write it, as built or FORScan will tell you to cycle the key off and back on. Go ahead and do that. You have to do that after every change. Then you'll want to go back into the body CM, but this time go into as built instead of the easy way. Go to line 726-45-01. You will change only one number in the entire line. Everything that is an X on this line, leave it as the current value. The only one you need to change is the last digit in the second set of 4. Change it to a 1, write that, cycle the key off, cycle it back on. You can then disconnect from FORScan, disconnect from the vehicle, cycle it off, close the door, lock it, walk away. Give it about 10 seconds. You can walk back, and when you walk back, as you get closer to the vehicle, you're going to get to about a foot away from the front grille or from the fender or from the back, depending on which way you're coming at it. Your tail lights will light up, your running lights will light up, your puddle lights will light up, and the interior lights should light up. This will work with all of your key fobs as long as you changed all these settings. Now, it does have a cooldown. If you walk up and you walk away, it's going to take a minute or so before it'll do it again because everything has to shut down, go back to sleep. But this will enable the approach lighting. At first, I couldn't get it to go because I only did the easy way. As you can see, Nightshade also explains here, just like in the last video, you have to go into the as-built side, change one line of code, and then everything will turn on. It has a very luxurious feel to it. It should have came from the factory. I have it on an ST line, works perfectly. As he states, it works on the active, the ST line, the ST, and the platinum, so all available trims for the 2025. It should also work for all available trims for the 2026s. If you have any other questions, if you want to see anything else, if you want to go over Bambi mode or anything like that, just drop a comment. I'll make another video on it. As I did with the last one, you guys had issues or had questions about the daytime running lights. We made a video on that. Got any other questions or you want to see anything else? Comment below. We'll make another video. We love doing this. We love making videos for you guys. We love helping you out, helping everybody modify their stuff. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.